Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to upgrade unsupported computer to Windows 11 using Rufus easily. Open any browser, search with Windows 11 download. Search and download Rufus. Select Windows 11 ISO file. Check remove requirement for 4GB, secure boot, and TPM. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.